Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to dispute a charge on your RBC debit card online. Now, if you've encountered a suspicious or incorrect transaction, follow these steps to resolve it. So now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the RBC online banking website. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Now, once logged in, navigate to your account's transaction history. Find the charge you want to dispute and click on it to view the details. At the bottom of the transaction details page, you will see an option to dispute transaction. Click on it and follow the prompts to provide details about your disputing the charge. After, fi- after filing out After filling out the necessary information, submit your dispute. RBC will review your case and get back to you with their findings, usually within a few business days. And that's how you dispute an RBC debit card charge online. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.